Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench, 3/8. Eliminate cords and loud air hose with a max torque of 40 ft-lbs at 400 RPM and a variable speed trigger. KIMO Cordless Ratchet performs just like your air ratchet, but without the annoying cords and the constant loud noise from the air hose. Compact and lightweight, weighs merely 2.2 pounds, with battery, plus its ultra-slim head design. KIMO Electric Ratchet can reach any tight spots to ratchet nuts and bolts effortlessly, making it perfect for any auto maintenance, construction or home repair work. Proudly present to KIMO batteries over 25 years, KIMO has kept updating its batteries to the best of its kind. It's estimated that the life expectancy of each KIMO 12V battery is at least 1,000 cycles. Stop worrying about dying batteries or batteries that won't charge after minimal usage. KIMO's got your back. Built-in lip and ergonomic handle. KIMO equipped this ratchet wrench with two pieces of rubber that withstand corrosive materials and increase your comfort when using. Its built-in LED illuminates the work area, while the onboard fuel gauge displays remaining runtime. Power ratchet wrench work kit comes with 2x1000 charge cycle 20V 2.0 on KIMO power batteries, 1x 60-minute fast charge, 1x KIMO BMC case, 7x sockets, 1x 3/8 inch to 1/4 inch drive adapter. KIMO has provided you with an all-you-need ratchet wrench work kit.